آه، السلام عليكم جماعة جهاري ويا سر جوابا أبرقا دي دست بكين الجال انزيما بابدا كيني enzymes. Much of the history of biochemistry is the history of enzyme research. Enzyme موضوع كي جلا جرنجل biochemistry وبهرابتر بحثو biochemistry السال انزيمانا عندي هنشو لك جرنجت كن و انزيم بخوا ك structure ك chemical nature او بخوا هر بروتينا هر بيكاتيا اش امينو اسيدا شو لي انزيماتشيا كاتاليستا يعني اجر كارليكا بون منا صالة كي بكيشت حتى تشببت صد صالة حتى بكيشت بين صد صالة حتى بكيشت انزيم دي وقتا كوب 2 ثانية تشببت دقيقة كي تشببت 5 دقيقة يعني خيرائي كارليك زيادت كت okay biological catalysis was first recognized and described in the late 17th centuries in studies on the digestion of meat by secretion of the stomach. Research continued in the 18th centuries with the examination of the conversion of starch to sugar by saliva and various plant extracts. ده سبيكي شو لي انزيمات سا انزيمة معديبين انزيمة جدا انزيمة سلايفا كاتشوا خارنة digestion وكاتشوا خارنة تحليلة سروان ريسيرش شبي isolation and crystallization of urease انزيمك urease بو شكاندنا urea by James Sumner in 1926 provide a breakthrough in early enzyme studies. The isolation and crystallization طبعا وقت تو انزيمك شو بدك لازم اقولك تفصل كي ديفدا تو شوائب جدرخه شنيكا تو لازم تو ساشو بكي ديفدا 1930 Sumner conclusion widely accepted after John Northrop and Moses Coenzymes crystallized pepsin, trypsin and other digestive enzymes and found them also to be protein يعني صار 1907 زانين كو انزيم هار او هار كبروتين. Most enzymes are proteins with the exception of a small group of catalytic RNA molecule. All enzymes are protein. بحرا بتر نطو بينج صادي بتر انزيم هار بروتين بس هندك هنا nucleic acid RNA ribonucleic acid. Their catalytic activity depends on the integrity of their native protein conformation. If an enzyme is denatured يعني ظنها ك بروتينيان انزيمي شكل خوش دازدا اگه شکل خوش دازدا ده شکل خوش دازدا. If an enzyme is denatured or dissociated into its subunits, catalytic activity is usually lost. شکل خوش دازدا. If an enzyme is broken down into its component amino acid, its catalytic activity is always destroyed. Thus, the primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary structure of a protein enzyme are essential to their catalytic activity, as we said when we described proteins. Enzymes, like other proteins, have molecular weight ranging from about 12,000 to more than 1 million kilodalton. Some enzymes require no chemical group for activity other than their amino acid. Some enzymes need nothing to carry out their function, but some other need coenzymes and cofactor to be activated. These cofactors like iron, magnesium, manganese, zinc, etc. Some enzymes require both coenzymes and one or more metal ions for activity. Coenzymes or metal ion مرحبا coenzyme أو metal أو بشاش انزیمی اوه بيتفي دا انزیم چالاک بد اگر اف coenzyme اف metal نبد أو انزیمن چالاکه. That's very tightly or even covalently bound to the enzyme protein is called prosthetic group. A complete catalytically active enzyme together with its bound coenzyme and or metal ion is called a holoenzyme. The protein part of such enzyme is called the apoenzyme or apoprotein. Coenzymes act as transient carrier of specific functional groups. Most are derived from vitamins, organic nutrients required in small amount in the diet. These are some enzymes and these are some cofactors for the enzyme, like cytochrome oxidase need copper plus 2, cytochrome oxidase catalase need iron, pyruvate kinase need potassium, etc. And some coenzymes that serve as transit carrier of specific atoms or functional group. These are the enzymes. Coenzyme, this is the coenzyme, lipoid, biocytine, coenzyme A, all these are coenzyme that activate enzymes. This is the function of this coenzyme, like biocytine transfer carbon dioxide, coenzyme A transfer acetyl group for us, data precursor in mammals, biotin. So biocytine comes from biotin, coenzymes come from pantothenic acid and other compound, etc. Flavine adenine dinucleotide transfer electron for us and it comes from riboflavin.